Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a refund from Esky. So how to get that done? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Esky web application, which of course I have done right here. How do you sign in on Esky? First off, launch any browser of your choice and head over to the search bar. The search bar is usually at the top corner of your screen. In there, type esky.com and that's going to take you to this official website. But then you have to head over to the top right corner of your screen to log in, follow through with the process, which is self-explanatory, and you get right into this fantastic esky.com.ng homepage. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's task. It's pretty much simple. How to get a refund from Esky. Let's say you booked a flight and something just happened and you just want a refund. Let's say you did that mistakenly or you couldn't get a flight and you just want to refund. Here's how to request a refund on Esky. From this homepage, scroll all the way down, yes, all the way down to the bottom of the page, and here you're gonna find a wide array of options. So here you find plan your trip, learn more, airlines, about Esky. Head over to about Esky category and scroll the way down. You're gonna find support and contact. Now go ahead and click on support and contact. That's gonna take you to this fantastic window that says looking for help. Oh yes, I'm looking for help. So right here, you're gonna scroll all the way down. If you want to check your status and manage your booking, follow through with this process, but that's not what we're here for. So scroll all the way down until you find the contact form. Yes, the contact form is very helpful for this particular purpose. So here you have contact form and booking service. Now get your help as soon as possible. Select the relevant topic and provide the required information. So it says, how can we help you? Now in this category option, you're gonna click on the three dots, this drop down menu right here. Now you're gonna see flight, online check-in, insurance, accommodations, cars, Esky wallet, invoice, and the rest. So you're gonna have to head over to flight, and then in the next you have the message topic. So go ahead and click on drop down menu and scroll the way down until you find the option that tallies with a refund. Now here you go, booking and payment status. You have travel date change, and booking cancellation, refund status, and then you go forward. So first off, you will need to check your refund status before you go ahead and of course demand a refund, because you need to know your eligibility status. Okay, but once you do that and you found that your eligibility status, so that you are eligible for a refund, right, now go ahead and click on booking cancellation. Of course, once you're done checking your status, come over the same process and click on booking cancellation, and that's going to take you here. Now it says most airlines sell non-returnable tickets, so you have to be sure that the airline you booked for, all right, you have to be sure that your ticket, that's your flight ticket, is returnable, because if it's non-returnable, then I'm sorry, Esky cannot help you. But if you want to find more details, then you can go ahead and click on this hyperlink. So here you have, it says write to us. So write your name, your first name and your surname, head over to your phone number, and then your email that you use to make the booking. Then here you're gonna have to enter your booking number. You have to be sure that it's correct. Then enter your trip start date. You have to be sure that it's correct as well. And right here we have your message. Go ahead and pour out your mind, express yourself, let them know that you want to get a refund because one thing happened. So yeah, you have to be very expressive. Let them know why you want to get a refund. And of course, once you're done, go ahead and click on I agree to the processing of personal data provided in the form, and head over here to click on I am not a robot. Once you're done, go ahead and click on send message, and once you send them a message, they're definitely going to reach out to you. When I say they, I mean Esky is definitely going to reach out to you via your mail. So go ahead and check your mail to see that they have responded. You're going to give them a couple hours for them to respond to you, because sometimes you're not going to respond to you right there immediately. So this is the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.